May Allah bless you with all the love and happiness that your heart can hold. Eid Mubarak. May this Eid brings a lot of happiness for you and your family. On Eidul Adha, wishing that your sacrifices are appreciated and your prayers are answered by the Almighty. Have a blessed Eidul Adha. May Allah bring you joy, happiness, peace and prosperity on the blessed occasion. Wishing you and your family on this happy occasion of Eid. Wishing you a joyous and best Eidul Adha with lots of laughter, joy and good health. May Allah accept our prayers and shower His blessing on us. Eidul Adha Mubarak to all. May Allah endow you with His rahmat, blessings and reward you for your absolute obedience and holy sacrifice. Eid Mubarak. May God give you happiness of heaven. Happy Eid Mubarak to you all. May Allah bless you with love, prosperity and peace on this auspicious day of Eidul Adha. In every shared smile and laughter, in every silent prayer answered, in every opportunity that comes your way, may Allah bless you greatly. Eid Mubarak. May Allah accept all your du'as and bless you and your family with immense happiness. May the blessing of Allah fill your life with happiness and open all the doors of success now and always. Eid Mubarak. Wishing you peace and grace, happiness and health. May Allah always bless you with peace and happiness. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. May your life be filled with success and your house with happiness. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Enjoy the day to the fullest. Love and du'as. Ameen. May this Eid brings you and your family a gift of uncountable blessings, success, happiness, peace and joy. Ameen. Feel the magic of Eid around you and know that the grace of God is always with you. You'll always be surrounded by love and care. Happy Eidul Adha. Happy Eidul Adha everyone. Be grateful for this day and to everyone you love. May Allah bless everyone and protect our brothers and sisters who are suffering. On this auspicious occasion of Eid, may you be blessed with joy, peace and happiness. May Allah accept your fasting, prayers and shower His all blessing on you. Ameen. May this day be an exceptional one for you and your lovely family. May this Eid brings you lots of joyful moments to cherish forever. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May Allah open the doors of happiness and prosperity for you. May Allah make it easy upon all those who are suffering around the globe. Let this special occasion of Eid adorn your life with the colors of heaven. I wish a wonderful Eid day for you and your family. Eidul Adha Mubarak. May Allah lead you to the path of success now and always. Eid Mubarak. My wish for you on this Eid, my peace and joy, embrace your life and stay on this blessed day and always. Ameen. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May Allah's blessings be with you today, tomorrow and always. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.